Welcome to the Crazy Hat Chemist. So another video here on equilibrium. So let's get moving. Bam! So today we're talking about the meaning of K. Okay? For the reaction of nitrogen gas plus hydrogen gas produces ammonia gas, we've got stoichiometric coefficients of 1, 3, and 2 respectively. You should see that double-headed arrow letting you know that this is an equilibrium reaction and not a unidirectional arrow one way going from reactants to products. Okay, the Kp is as follows. The Kp is the products over the reactants with the stoichiometric coefficients as exponents. Let's see if you can get that here on your own. The Kp is the following. The P of the NH3, that's going to be squared. Okay, and then the P for the nitrogen, that's going to be to the first power. The P for the hydrogen is going to be cubed. Okay, all right, so some selected Kp values and their associated temperatures. We got temperatures of 300, 400, 500, and 600 degrees Celsius respectively, and then Kp values of 4.3 times 10 negative 3, 1.6 times 10 negative 4, 1.5 times 10 negative 5, and 2.3 times 10 to the negative 6 respectively associated with those temperature values. Okay, you should see that the Kp is getting smaller, is becoming more reactant favored as the temperature increases. Okay, notice that at all of these temperatures, the Kp values is less than 1, which indicates that the reaction is reactant favored. In other words, the pressures of the reactants are greater than the pressure of the product. Okay, so again, look at that Kp expression. You should see that the product is the ammonia, and so that's going to be very small in comparison to the pressures of the two reactants. Okay, that leads to these Kp values as increasing temperature getting smaller and smaller. If the reaction is reversed, then the reaction is written as follows. Okay, you got 2 moles of ammonia produces 1 mole of nitrogen and 3 moles of hydrogen gas. And the Kp of that same reverse reaction is, Kp for the reverse is the nitrogen to the first power, hydrogen to the cubed power, if you will, divided by ammonia squared. Okay, it's just the reciprocal of the Kp of the top reaction. Okay, the associated Kp for the reverse at 300 would be the following. Okay, so it's the Kp reverse is 1 over the Kp at 300. So we're going to take our 1 over 4.3 times 10 negative 3, and that's going to be 230. Okay, you should see that that 230 is, of course, greater than 1. For the reverse reaction, the Kp is greater than 1, indicating that the reaction is product favored. Remember, if you flip the equation from reactants to products or products to reactants, it's 1 over the K value. Okay, really simple. Okay, this has a great application, especially for this reaction here. Okay, we're going to be talking about this reaction a little bit more. I am the Crazy Hat Chemist, and Chloe, thank you very much for this dinosaur hat. I love it. Roar. Give me a thumbs up on that video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you for more cool chemistry videos. Don't forget to look at my website for all the cool chemistry videos, as well as worksheets to help you out with all your chemistry problems. Bye for now.